Prove this is not my hair. Prove it. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by CurlsCurls. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Hold up. Excuse me. As always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I can hear them thinking out loud. Simple people acting so proud. I hear them talking about us. Yeah. I can hear them thinking out loud. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue. Hey, they don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us. No, they wouldn't know about us. They keep wishing that I'd fall in line. But you and me, babe, we're one of a kind. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue. Hey, they don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us. No, they wouldn't know about us. They don't know about us. They don't get it, babe, living in a cruel world. It's a rare thing to do just what we do, love. Hold your head high and do it by your own terms. They don't get it, babe, no, they don't get it.
Okay, y'all, so this was a very easy install. I didn't want to do a whole bunch with this unit just because I didn't feel like it. Got food to cook. Listen. So like I said, this unit comes to us from CurlsCurls. It is their Lora unit. It comes in a natural color, and the starting price for my unit is right here on the screen. Now, before your fingers get to going about how much the unit is overpriced, just understand you control your purse strings, okay? You don't have to buy everything, sis. It may be a wish list item. I mean, cause listen, look at me. Okay, you're gonna want this wig eventually. Obviously, out the pack, the curls are tighter, they're more put together. Not until you go in and add water and conditioner and things like that to the hair will the hair kind of fluff out and give a more natural, defined look, okay? Now, even though it is possible, I did not want a super defined look for these curls. I wanted more of like a bushy type of effortless look. So after my co-wash with conditioner, I did use my detangler brush to comb through the unit. Y'all, when I say this hair is like I had no tangles, okay? No tangles on a curly unit. Barely any shedding, okay, y'all? I mean, listen. You also can rock this unit glueless. Y'all saw how I was sitting on my head after I did my little contour around my hairline? I thought I was gonna wear her back in like a little ponytail or something. That's the only reason I sprayed this down the front. Wasn't needed, okay? Because I decided to go ahead and just swoop her to the side behind my ear, and that was it. The hair is soft and manageable. How I have the unit styled on my head, it will get bushy and frizzier, and the more I play in it, the bigger it will get. So be mindful of that. If you want more of a defined look, definitely go ahead and use your products. That will help you. It will weigh the hair down, give you more of an elongated curl type of look. I just wanted to give y'all a simple, easy looking unit, and I'm here for it, okay? Y'all know I like big hair. Lemon squeezy, commented easy. You hear me? this is not my hair. Prove it. Listen. So I ain't got no sense. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to CurlsCurls for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.